what we can say historically from Andy Burnham, his policies, is that there has been a particular focus on NHS.
I think that the dental market, the lending sector especially, is as strong as ever.
Hi everyone, Tommy and Luke here from Dental Elite's finance team. Following the appointment of the new Prime Minister, Andy Burnham, we're going to have a short video today just to discuss how that will impact the markets, and I guess more importantly, how will it affect dental funding. So Luke, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think probably a key point for everyone to remember out there is that obviously the market sort of responds to fiscal policy and not political personalities. So I think when we look at that, it's probably a case that actually we need to wait and see what policy changes are made and what he actually brings into fruition before we actually see what effect that will have on the market in the long run. So I think at the moment, I wouldn't worry too much. I think the market there is still going to be as strong as it currently is. But I think it will certainly be interesting to see how things develop over the coming months.
I don't think there's going to be any immediate change, as Luke said, and we'll see how it develops over a period of time. I know there is an autumn budget scheduled for the next couple of months as well, so we will know more then. I guess what we can say historically from Andy Burnham, his policies, is that there has been a particular focus on NHS, and I guess this does directly then correlate to dental. So I guess if there are positive changes made, to NHS policies, that will have some impact on lending as a whole and potentially inflation and the Bank of England base rate. So there are things historically that we can work off. I guess the day-to-day things don't change massively. The dental market has been really competitive and remains competitive. Plenty of bank policy changes over the last 12 months, and I don't expect that to change following the appointment of the new Prime Minister.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with that. I think when you look at it on the face value, for now, no one's got that crystal ball to know where things are going to be in the future, whether that's in the next couple of days, couple of weeks, or couple of years. You just don't know. I think at the moment, we've just got to take it with face value of what it is. I think that the dental market, the lending sector especially, is as strong as ever, which is always great for a lot of buyers out there. For the first time, like we know, we're seeing 100% funding now for certain circumstances across goodwill and freehold. So it shows just how much the lenders want to be involved in this sector. So yeah, I think it's all positive. I don't think there's any immediate need for anyone to worry out there. And hopefully, like you mentioned with his policies before or with his what he's come out and sort of suggested towards the NHS and his support towards the NHS, could even mean UDA rates, NHS contracts get a bit of a revamp down the line. Who knows? But yeah, hopefully it's something like that that's positive for us all. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Obviously, like we say, let's see where we go in the near future with all of the potential policy changes. But in the meantime, if you do need to discuss anything financial due diligence, stress tests, you've got a target practice you'd like us to have a look at, please make sure to get in touch with us at Dental Elite Finance. We're always happy to help.